Hello everyone, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create and sell custom products on Shopify. So here guys, as you can see, let's say that I want to sell this product and I want the client to enter a specific name and a specific logo in order to print it on this t-shirt right here, and after that sell it and ship it to the client. So this is what we are actually going to do in this tutorial. So first thing you should do is to simply open your Shopify dashboard. Then you have to go to online store right here. And once you choose online store, go to themes right here. Then you should now click on customize right here. Click on customize. Then what you should do right now is to simply click on this home page button right here. Tap on it, then it will show you multiple options. Choose products, then click on create template. And now I'm gonna name my template custom, for example, then click on create template. And now what you should do right now is to simply click on exit, then click on products right here. Then you can simply open any product that you have, then scroll down till you find here and click on theme template and click on custom. And after you finish, you can simply click on save. Now let's go back into our themes and let's now modify our custom theme. And in order to have a backup of your theme, you can simply click on these three horizontal dots, then click on duplicate. And this is just in case we have made something wrong. We can simply go back and choose the backup theme. And now click on customize. Then what you should do right now is to go back to the home page right here, then choose products again. Then now you have to choose the custom theme that we have created. Click on it. And now we want to add a new block. And here on the left side, you may see some of these arrows. You can click on them in order to expand the other options down below. And now here, as you can see, we can see more options. What I want you to do is to search for this option right here, add block. Click on it. Then what you should do right now is to choose custom liquid. After choosing custom liquid, you can simply click on it. Then it will show you this box right here, liquid code. And what you should do right now is to simply head to the link down below in the description and it will show you this page right here. And what you should do right now is simply create a code for everything that we are going to add right now. This is the field settings and this is the field preview. These are the settings that we are going to choose in order to test it right here on the right side. So let's say that I'm gonna add a box like this one right here. So here I'm gonna click on any one of these things. You can choose whatever thing you want, whatever thing that is suitable for you. So I'm gonna choose show text here, for example. Then click on this one right here and I'm gonna type here your name, okay? Then here you can simply test your field preview. So I'm gonna type here, for example, Zane Zone. And now here you have also the character limit. You can make it, for example, because we have here a merge, so I can make it 20 letters, for example. And if you want to make this field required and the client cannot even order the product without entering his name, you can simply check this box right here. And now after filling in all these information and after choosing this option, you can simply click on copy the code. Then I'm gonna go back to this page and paste this code right here. Now click on save. And here, as you can see, it will show me the your name box, as you can see. And if you want to drag it up right here, you can simply go to the left side and drag it right here. You can make it down below the price, or you can even make it anywhere else you want. Now you have to add the upload image box. So I'm gonna do the same thing, add block, custom liquid, and now I'm gonna go back to this page right here, and now I'm gonna add file upload. Then I'm gonna type here your logo, for example. But here in this case, I do not need to make the field required. So I'm gonna uncheck this one. Then I'm gonna copy this code right here. Now I'm gonna go back and paste it right here, then click on save. And once you do that, you can simply also drag it and make it down below the your name box. Now, the last thing that we should do right now, remember that we needed this box, your name box. We need to enter a name in order to be able to buy this product. And to do that, you can simply click on buy buttons, then go right here and uncheck this option, show dynamic checkout button. So uncheck it, then click on save. And now we can test our store and how does it look with these new features. So I'm gonna go back, right click on this option right here, then click on review. Now let's test our store. So I'm gonna click on this option here. Now here, as you can see, when I test my product, I'm gonna now add the name, then click on choose file, then click on add to cart. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.